All right, guys, so I did want to finish these problems with you. So on the first one, if you have like terms, which means two numbers that have the same variable raised to the same power, you simply add their coefficients, okay? Whoops, sorry. How did I do that? All right, let me get my pen working here. So 7x plus 2x is 9x. All right, number two, I'm going to start just with whatever's written first. So 5x squared is being added to 7x squared. So 5x squared plus 7x squared is 12x squared. Am I saying squared? I mean cubed. Oh my goodness. All right, so then I see an x squared for real, x squared. So I'm going to go ahead and write that one next. However, make sure you realize that sign in front of it goes with it. Don't drop that sign, okay? And then finally, we have 3y combined with minus 2y. 3 yo-yos, take away 2 yo-yos. I have left 1 yo-yo. And I could write plus 1y, but 1 times y is just y. So this is the final answer. 12x cubed minus 4x squared plus y. All right, let's look at number 3. We have 3 apples plus 5 apples. 3 apples plus 5 apples is 8 apples. And then I have to write this last term as part of my answer. All right, number 4, I have 1a plus 2a, 1 apple plus 2 apples is 3 apples, right? 3a. And then I have 2 balloons plus 1 balloon is 3 balloons. And then I have minus 2c by itself, and it must be part of my answer. So 3a plus 3b minus 2c is my final answer. All right, number 10, I have 10x plus 5x. 10x plus 5x is 15x. And then I have negative 12b minus 10b. Negative 12b minus 10b, same signs, add and keep. So it'll be negative 22b. And that's my final answer, 15x minus 22b. All right, you can't add unlike terms, but you can multiply unlike terms, okay? So everything in the parentheses are unlike terms, so I'm going to use the distributive property. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times y is negative 2y. Plus 4 times 2x is 8x. And 4 times negative 3y, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12y. All right, so now I've used the distributive property. My parentheses are gone. Now I'm going to combine like terms. So I have negative 2x plus 8x. Negative 2 plus 8 is positive 6x. And then I have negative 2y combined with negative 12y. Negative 2 combined with negative 12 is negative 14y. All right, I want you guys to pause the video and try these 4 by yourselves, okay? Then come back and check your answers. All right, so I'm going to use the distributive property. So I'm going to bring everything else down. 5x plus 2y. 2 times negative 3x is negative 6x. Bring everything else down. And now I'm going to combine my like terms. So I have positive 5x minus 6x. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Negative 1 times x is negative x. I could write negative 1x. It wouldn't make it wrong. You just don't need the 1. All right, then we have 2y, positive 2y combined with, oh, I left off my x. I'm sorry. Let me go back. I was trying to combine unlike terms, you guys. I wasn't done. There was another x. You'll probably notice that. All right, so we have 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Negative 1x combined with negative 10x is negative 11x. Negative 1 combined with negative 10 is negative 11. And now we have positive or plus 2y as part of my answer. That's it. That's the answer. I almost told you guys wrong. All right, let's do number 2. We're going to distribute. We get negative times a negative is positive. So negative 5 times negative x is positive 5x. Negative 5 times positive 3y is negative 15y. Negative 5 times negative 6. Negative 5 times negative 6 is positive 30. All right, what do we get when we add them all together? Well, there's no like terms with 5x. There's no like terms with negative 15y. But 30 plus 40 is 70, positive 70. And there's the answer. All right, I'm going to get rid of all this because y'all have it recorded and you can go back if you need to. All right, let's look at 3. So we have d plus 3d times 2 is 6d. 3d times x is, guess what? 3dx minus 10dx. All right, what like terms do we have? We have 1d plus 6d. 1d plus 6d is 7d. And then we have 3 dx minus 10 dx. 3 minus 10 is negative 7 dx. And that's the answer, 7d minus 7 dx. All right, number 4 is a long one, isn't it? So we're going to write everything down. Then we're going to multiply. 3b times 5 is 15b. And then a positive times a negative is a negative or minus. 3b times a is 3ab. Now, if you wrote 3ba, it's the same thing. I just like to put them in alphabetical order. All right, y'all understand that? 3b times negative a is negative 3ab. Bring everything else down. All right, now I'm going to combine like terms. I have 1a plus 1a is 2a. And then 2a minus 2a is 0. 2a minus 2a is 0. So the a's all go away. Now we have 15b, part of my answer. And then I have negative 3ab plus 12ab. 12 minus 3 is 9, positive 9ab. And that's my answer. All right, how'd you guys do? I hope you did well. So let me know if you guys, a couple of you already told me you wanted a video about the word phrases. So I will send those to you. And if you need, extra review on the rest of the stuff, I can find you a good video as well. All right, thanks guys. Y'all have a great day.